Okay, in this I'm going to show you how to help a tenant pay up on their previous debts. So I've got a live tenant here. His name is Skylar Pickett, and I'm going to go to his Stripe information. We're going to see we've somewhat changed how this is laid out. Here are his installments. They're grouped by the installment. So installment 1, that was the day he signed up, is paid. Installment 2 was for $48, and we've attempted to pay it a few times, and they've failed. So we have that it's red on the big board here. And then you can click the plus sign and see the separate attempts, and we're going to try again on the 16th, and, frankly, I wouldn't hold my breath. And then installment 3 comes up on August 5th, so that's black because we haven't tried anything yet. Similarly, down in his MU fees, we can show the multiple times we've tried to charge that, and it's grouped by the month. If he were to cancel, these would stop showing up. Now I'm going to switch over to the dev system and show you how to run a charge. Okay, now I've got a testing user because I don't want to do this live. I'm going to go over to his Stripe information. And as you can see, we've got a big old mess here. This guy has got 2 missed payments for $80, and then because we have a smaller number of things going on in test, this guy's got about 150 failed MU charges. So what I'm going to do is go to the Pay Now button, and a little screen will come up, and you'll see it's flashing and waiting. And what it's doing is actually going to Stripe and tallying up how many invoices we have that have failed and how much sign-up money he's failed. So it takes a little while to compute, so we just let it sit. We've got 9 months of failed MU fees. Now, as our policy is, we only charge you for 2 of them. So what we do is we add up $395 times 2, that's $790. This is how much he really would owe, but we're not going to charge that. If you just pay the $790, everything will be cool. But he also owes $80 in back fees and sign-up fees, so we have to charge that. So he owes us $87.90. Now, for a lot of people, that's unreasonable. So let's say he's going to pay us $30 at a time. So we put in 30, and you'll see 30, 30, and then $27.90 to settle everything up. So that's going to charge 3 separate payments over the course of a couple of months. And if we need to, let's say August 10th doesn't work for him because whatever, he's got something he has to do at August 13th. That's fine. You click Modify Schedule and come in here and go 13 and hit Save Schedule and everything's cool. Or if we need to change this amount, you click Modify Schedule and change it to, $45 or $25, whatever. Now, right now, you have to do the math separately. That means he's going to be $5 short. Now, if you want to give him $5, that's fine. I don't really care. The software doesn't care either. It'll warn you, but that's it. So we hit Save Schedule. Payment does not equal the amount owed. Click OK if it's on purpose. So we're going to do that and accept this payment schedule. So what that means is we're going to charge him $30 right now and then set him up for $25 and $27.90 and then clear everything else out. So we're going to do that. Here's an option to enter a new card. I'm going to click yes because I haven't seen the card lately. If we're comfortable that the existing card is fine, we can do that. I'm going to change the active credit card, hit yes. That's going to close out. And then we're going to see it trying to charge and paying the schedule or the fees. And it's waiting, waiting, waiting. And there we go. So we close this, go here, and we'll see that we've now marked him as paid. He's paid $30 today. He's scheduled to pay $30 on August 13th and $27.90 on September 9th. We've marked all these as paid. Everything else has been deleted and gone away. And everything is good. So he's back in good standing. So that's how this works. Hope this has been helpful. And on to the next video.